Hello, fellow financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Financial Literacy, where we strive to equip you with knowledge and tools to achieve financial success. Today, we're diving into the world of the wealthy and exploring 10 fascinating ways they save money while still enjoying their passions for fine art, whiskey and wine, collectibles, and more. So, let's jump right in. 1. Smart art investments. Wealthy individuals often see art not only as a form of personal enjoyment but also as an investment opportunity. They carefully select pieces that have the potential to appreciate in value over time. By acquiring artworks wisely, they can enjoy the aesthetic beauty while simultaneously growing their wealth. 2. Wine and whiskey wisdom. Many affluent individuals are wine and whiskey connoisseurs, but they understand the importance of saving money even in these pursuits. They educate themselves about the industry, its trends, and the market value of specific bottles. By making informed choices and purchasing at the right time, they save money while indulging in their passion for fine beverages. 3. Collectibles with value. Rich people often collect rare and valuable items, such as rare coins, stamps, antique furniture, or vintage cars. However, they don't merely collect for the sake of collecting. They thoroughly research the market, stay up to date with trends, and assess the potential for value appreciation before making a purchase. This approach ensures that they acquire items that hold or increase their value over time. 4. Strategic shopping. When it comes to everyday purchases, wealthy individuals are often meticulous shoppers. They plan ahead, compare prices, and take advantage of sales and discounts. They may also buy in bulk or use loyalty programs to save money on frequently purchased items. By adopting these cost-saving habits, they can stretch their dollars further without compromising on quality. 5. Travel hacks. Even though affluent individuals have the means to indulge in luxurious travel experiences, they still value smart spending. They make use of travel rewards programs, book flights and accommodations during off-peak seasons, and plan trips in advance to take advantage of early bird deals. These tactics allow them to enjoy the world while keeping their expenses in check. 6. Minimalist mindset. Contrary to popular belief, many wealthy people embrace a minimalist lifestyle. They understand that accumulating unnecessary possessions not only costs money but also requires time and effort to maintain. By streamlining their lives and focusing on what truly brings them joy, they save money by avoiding frivolous expenses. 7. Financial advisors. Wealthy individuals often seek professional advice from financial advisors. These experts help them optimize their investments, identify tax-efficient strategies, and navigate complex financial matters. By leveraging the expertise of financial professionals, they can save money by making informed decisions that align with their long-term financial goals. 8. D.I.Y. mindset. Rich individuals often have diverse skill sets and are not afraid to get their hands dirty. They take on do-it-yourself (DIY) projects when it makes financial sense. Whether it's renovating their homes, fixing the cars, or even crafting unique pieces of art, their willingness to take on tasks themselves saves them substantial amounts of money in labor costs. 9. Conscious philanthropy. Charitable giving is important to many wealthy individuals, but they also want to ensure the donations have the greatest impact. They research non-profits, foundations, and causes they are passionate about, focusing on organizations with low administrative costs and high efficiency in resource allocation. By giving strategically, they make a meaningful difference while optimizing the impact of their financial contributions. 10. Educating themselves. Wealthy individuals understand the value of knowledge in making informed financial decisions. They invest time and effort in continuously educating themselves about personal finance, investment strategies, and money management. By staying up to date with the latest trends and understanding the intricacies of various markets, they can identify opportunities and make better financial choices, ultimately saving money and growing their wealth. Learning from the practices of the wealthy can help us adopt smart financial habits, irrespective of our income level. By following their lead and implementing strategies like strategic shopping, conscious philanthropy, and continuous education, we can save money, build wealth, and ultimately achieve our financial goals. Remember, it's not about how much money we have, but rather how effectively we manage and grow what we have that truly matters. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financial Literacy for more valuable insights on mastering your finances. Until next time, stay financially empowered.